Hello and welcome. Congratulations on your new fully automatic espresso machine KF4 with iced coffee. Keeping your KitchenAid espresso machine clean is fast and easy. At the end of each day, pull out the drip tray and grounds container. Empty both, then rinse under warm water. Dry and return them to the machine. If you made milk drinks today, rinse the milk container. And rinse the milk system too. When prompted, select Easy Milk Rinsing. Place one end of the milk hose in the drip tray and press start. The system automatically flushes clean. No mess, no fuss. When it's time to descale, your machine will guide you step by step. Start by emptying and rinsing the drip tray and grounds container. Empty the tank and remove the filter if you're using one. Fill the tank to the half-liter mark with water. Then add your descaler tabs. Follow the descaler manufacturer's instructions for the right amount. Replace the tank and place a large container, at least half a liter, under the dispenser. On the display, press start. The machine runs the descaling cycle automatically. Don't interrupt it, just let it finish. When prompted, empty and rinse the tank, fill it with fresh water, and run the rinse cycle. It's time to clean the brew unit with a KitchenAid cleaning tablet. Tap Brew Unit in the cleaning menu. Start by emptying and rinsing the drip tray and grounds container. Fill the water tank all the way to the max line. Place a large container under the dispenser. The machine will rinse the system first. Just follow the prompts. When prompted, open the service door and remove the brew unit. Rinse it thoroughly under cold water and dry it completely. Now place a cleaning tablet inside the brew unit. Reinsert the brew unit, close the door, and press start. The machine flushes the tablet through to help remove coffee oils and buildup. Your machine will tell you when it's time to replace the water filter, and it's easy to do. Take out the water tank and twist out the used filter. Insert a new KitchenAid water filter and twist to lock. Fill the tank to the max line, reinstall it, and position a large container under the dispenser. Press start to begin the filter rinse. Once the rinse finishes, you're ready to brew again. If you won't be using your machine for a while, run the evaporate function to remove water from the system. Find the evaporate button inside your cleaning menu in settings. Follow the on-screen prompts to empty and rinse the drip tray and grounds container. You'll also remove the water container and set it aside. Place the free end of the hose into the drip tray and put a large container under the dispenser. Press start. The machine uses heat to dry internal components and prevent standing water. When the process finishes, your machine's ready for storage. The machine tells you what to do and when to do it, so you can relax and enjoy the coffee.